Hey guys, it's Al Martins from Fence Armor. So happy to be able to see you all this morning, virtually that is. Most of you are on your way to the retreat, the Mr. Fence Academy 2023 retreat. I think that's a little bit of a misnomer. Kind of like Greenland isn't really green. I think really there's going to be a lot of work this week, starting with your workouts in the morning. So there'll be a lot to unpack and a lot of golden nuggets, as they say. But planning for 2023 is important, and you're starting off at a really good time. A lot of unpredictability for 2023, so if you can figure out ways to be more profitable, more efficient, this is what it's all about. I know you'll have a great retreat with Sean. There's a lot to see and do and learn and prepare your 2023 year. So from all of us here at Fence Armor, wish we could be there with you. A little bit jealous, but hope you all have a great retreat, and we'll talk to you again soon.